Okay, hi everyone. So this is the next one that I want to run through with you. There's one more example which I will touch on, which is based on these two guys here. Okay, so far I've done changing or making a subject for this, plus to minus, times to divide. What if it's this kind? Okay, and then we'll look at more complicated ones. Okay, so one example would be, let's say I give you the formula is v equals to 5t squared. Okay, this is the example here. Now, then they say the question, can you make t the subject? Make t the subject. Again, when you say this, make t the subject means I want to make t equals to something, whatever it is. This is the answer I'm looking for. Okay, so you must understand when they say make something the subject, this is what they want. Alright, so let's go. T is here, right? So what do we do now? V equals to 5t squared means 5 times t squared, right? Correct. Now I want to leave t alone. Let's bring this guy over. If it's times, the opposite of times is divide. Okay, so we go divide by 5t squared. Okay? Divide. Okay, now remember, I want to make t the subject, not t squared. This is t squared, not t yet. So what must I do to make t? So you see this guy is a power 2 here. I'm going to look at this. The opposite of square is square root. Okay, opposite of square is square root. Opposite of power 3, cube, is cube root. So on and so forth. Okay, it can be power 4. So then it will be root 4. Then root 5, root 6, power 5, so on and so forth. So this list actually is never ending. Just do the opposite will do. So once you get this, let's write it this way lah. We prefer to see it this way. Okay, so how to get t as the subject? You square root both sides. Okay, once you square root, okay, it just becomes t. Answer is square root v over 5. That's it. Also, this is your answer. Opposite of square is square root. Just square root down here. Can already. Okay, and that's your final answer. Now, what if we are looking at something a little bit more difficult? This is to stretch you a bit. We're looking at this kind of things. S equals to pi d over 2 plus d. Wow, how? Make d the subject. Okay, so in this case, d you realize is on two different terms. But what we can do is, we can again make this means d equals to something. Okay, I can do this thing called factorize, pull out common factors, which is what we learned before. Okay, so you see there's a new thing we do. We factorize. You need to learn this, but I'll run through with you more practice next time. Okay, I pull out the common factor d. First term, I take out the d already. What's left? Pi over 2, right? Because pi times d, pi over 2. Second term, I take out the d, you divide d, it becomes 1. Just to check, you rainbow in. D times this gives you pi d over 2. D times 1 gives me d. So what I'm just done is factorize. Okay, so make d the subject. I already got d alone. This means d times this whole thing. Correct? It goes to s. Now, I want to make d alone. I remove this guy to the other side. Do the opposite. Times becomes divide. Bring over lah. Bring over becomes divide. Times bring over becomes divide. So s over pi over 2 plus 1. This is my answer. d equals to s over pi over 2 plus 1. And that's it. Okay. Don't worry about this. I'll give you more practice next time around. Okay, but if you get it, good. This is one of the questions in your textbook, in your workbook. Alright. Okay. Thank you.